What if you could earn money while binge-watching Netflix or even sleeping? In this video, I'll show you 5 passive income ideas that actually work in 2025, and you don't need to be rich to start. Whether you're a student, a 9-to-5 worker, or someone chasing financial freedom, these ideas can help you start earning on autopilot. And yes, these are real, proven methods people are using right now. Idea number 1. Print-on-demand products. You create a design once and sell it forever. Use platforms like Redbubble, Etsy, or Teespring. They handle the printing, shipping, and customer service. You just collect profits. Example: a friend of mine sold cat-themed mugs and made $600 last month without touching a single package. Pros: no inventory. Cons: you need catchy designs to stand out. Idea number 2. YouTube automation channel. Start a faceless YouTube channel. Hire freelancers for voiceovers, editing, and scripts. Your job? Upload and collect the AdSense plus affiliate revenue. Example: one automation channel in the finance niche made $2,000 plus per month with only 10 videos. Pros: scalable. Cons: takes time to grow. Idea number 3. Digital products, ebooks, courses. Create once, sell forever. Topics can range from fitness to freelancing to finance. Platforms like Gumroad and Udemy make it easy. Example: I wrote a short ebook on budgeting. It brings in around $100 per month with zero ad spend. Pros: pure profit. Cons: requires upfront effort and good marketing. Idea number 4. Investing in dividend stocks or REITs. Buy shares in companies that pay you regularly, just for holding them. This is truly passive once you're in. Example: investing $500 per month in dividend stocks can build a $50,000 plus portfolio in a few years with monthly payouts. Pros: reliable income. Cons: slow start without capital idea. Number 5. Affiliate marketing via blog or TikTok. Promote other people's products using your referral link. You earn every time someone buys. Example: my small blog earned $800 last month by promoting Amazon gadgets. Pros: low cost to start. Cons: needs good content and consistency. I started with zero. Just one passive income stream changed how I think about money forever. Now, even if I stop working, money still flows in. And that's powerful. If you found even one idea helpful, hit that like button. It helps more than you know. Subscribe for more smart money tips and comment below. Which passive income stream are you starting in 2025? I'll reply to every comment.